How to reset suggested content on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First off, open up the Instagram app. Then you can just go ahead and find your profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right to go to settings. Once landed on the settings page, scroll down a bit until you find content preferences. It's under what you see, so just tap on it. And if you are interested in certain contents, tap on interested and add certain posts that you're interested in. And if you've added any content on not interested, you can see that as well. And right at the bottom, you have an option called reset suggested contents. So if you want to start fresh, what you can do is your suggested post, reels, and other contents based on factors such as who you follow or your activity, you can reset it. Now from here, you can just tap on privacy policy if you want and see all of its options. Now tap on next if you really want to reset suggested contents. And once you tap on it, all of your contents will be resetted. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next video.